guys, Tony here, back with another video for you guys. We are gonna demo the multimedia box for my vehicle, or for probably any vehicle that supports Apple CarPlay. You do have to have Apple CarPlay for this to work. Currently I have my 2020 Jeep Cherokee and we have Apple CarPlay, but we don't have wireless CarPlay. So this box right here also supports wireless CarPlay. So you just plug it in like you would normally plug in your phone, and then you get this interface here, which is Android 9. And I want to demo this real quick for you guys. I want to show you. I got it all set up. I used it for a little while, so I got CarPlay set up. That's why it's using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, because I'm currently tethered to my phone. So I'm tethered with the Wi-Fi, and it's also connected to Bluetooth, so I can get that Apple CarPlay to work. So I got maps, YouTube. I'll demo YouTube real quick. It works phenomenally. It works good. It works good. So we'll watch a video. We'll go to subscriptions here, see what we got going on in the feed. We'll do this one right now. It's the one that popped up. So I got the volume.
And tracking numbers.
So the volume, everything works good. So I got my volume turned down right now, so we don't get copyright. But there's YouTube, and then if you get out of YouTube, you basically tap, and then tap this home button there. Now you got picture in picture. Want to get rid of that? You can move it around, put it whatever you want. You tap on it, hit the X, and you're out. That's YouTube. Everything works on YouTube. We got Google Play. Everything works in Google Play just like it would. It's pretty nice. It's very nice. So to get out of here, you tap the home button again. Here's Netflix. I just want to run this down real quick for you guys. Here's Netflix on the go. So we got Netflix, and I'm going to play something for you guys so you can tell that it's really working. My favorite show, obviously the one I'm watching right now, is this one right here, Manifest. So we're playing Manifest for you guys. Whoa, it's a little deep right there. But that is Manifest. I turn the volume up. You can hear the volume and everything. It works awesome. And to get out of this, it's a little scene there. You tap on it and hit the home button. And then once again, you got picture in picture. You can move it around wherever you want to put it. To get out of it, same thing. Tap, X, and it's gone. So I showed you YouTube, Netflix. I'm going to show you. I showed you the version that it has. It also has Google Assistant. You got to log in with your stuff. Let me see Google. It has these should be the Google Now cards. I'm logged in. You can see there, and it shows you the news. You can see all the news. You can read the news while you're sitting in your car or whatnot. It is running right now. It's tethered to my iPhone 12 right here, 5G. So 5G is not like buku strong right here at the moment, but once I get out of this location, it is. So there's that. And to get out, you tap home again. Oh, also, let me go back to that. You have this right here, this button right here, which is split screen. So you got split screen. You can split screen with it. This thing is awesome. I'm telling you, you can split screen with whatever you want, or you can clear all, get rid of everything. You can stretch this over, boom. And yeah, there's home again. You got the USB drive. You can plug in the USB with all your music or movies, whatever you want. There's a little port, let me show you, right there. So you plug it in right there, USB type A. This thing is awesome, man, especially for traveling. You can keep your passengers entertained. Same thing, home button, and we're out. Now, the only bad side of this that I've noticed so far, what is using it so far and all that, phone and everything is good. You also got Chrome. But phone and everything is good. I wish it had like you can add like a bigger keyboard, a wireless keyboard, a Bluetooth keyboard via this right here. I've seen it done on videos. You can plug in a wireless keyboard, a Bluetooth keyboard, and plug in that one part in here that goes into the computer, and then it'll work. So you can do that, and it comes with these apps pre-installed. Not a whole bunch of pre-installed apps, which is a good thing. To get out to the car, you tap that, and you're back in your radio. you're back into your radio, your regular radio. And to get back in, Apple CarPlay, you're back in home. Now I'm going to show you the downside of this that I've noticed while I've been using it for a little bit. Everything on the Android side is real nice. You got some themes, so you can switch out. Let me show you that real quick. Themes, you can switch up the themes. You can do black and white. Not a whole bunch, but you can theme them up, and there's more to come. So I like that. Get out the same way. Google Assistant works. What's the weather like? Oh, the volume is turned down, sorry. I'll do that again. Go home. I'll do that again, sorry. Yes, I had the volume down. What's the weather like?
It's 67 with rain. Today, it'll be rainy with a high of 74 and a low of 67.
So that's that. That's the Google Assistant on here. You can also go here. Google Now Cars. You got split screen. This thing is amazing, man. It's pretty dope. I'm actually very happy with it. I can definitely recommend it. You can stretch it back out and then go home. I definitely recommend it, man. In order to, and for this right here, you can switch this around too by adding. I think it holds. Let me see how many it holds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So it holds 9 apps up there, and in order for you to switch them around, you can just long press and you'll get this option. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then once you move one up, one comes down. So you can move this one towards the end because you want to get rid of that one. And we'll bring in Chrome. And you'll see how it pushes that one out. Boom. See, it pushes it out. So now when you go back, you got Chrome. So Chrome is there. And then, yeah. Also, this right here, phone cast. Let me show you that real quick. You can cast your phone. Boom. And it has two options. It has TV and phone. We'll go to phone. It basically tells you how to do it. You click Apple, and it's giving you instructions on how to do it. So you go here, and if you swipe down, oh, wrong side. Swipe down. You got screen mirror, and once you tap that, it should pop up right there. There it is. You tap on it. Boom. It starts to sync. You'll see it when it syncs over. I'll check it out. It's pretty neat. And there it is. So now you're screen mirroring wirelessly on your car stereo. And also it does landscape, so you can play YouTube videos here if you want. I'd rather do it on the Android thing. Let me see what else I can tell you. Yeah, you can pretty much. Which one was the one that I demoed? Oh, yeah, this one. So it's in, and then you flip it in landscape mode, and it should go in landscape mode on your. You can lock it there too. There's different ways to do things. And then to get out of it, you just go back, tap on it, and stop mirroring. Then you're out. And then to go back, same thing. Tap the screen, home, and you're back out. So this is pretty nice. Like I said, I'm gonna go back to the kind of the downside of this, which is gonna be when you're switching to Apple CarPlay. So right now, it's wireless Apple CarPlay because my Bluetooth is connected to it. So let me go ahead and close all this out. And I'm going to go ahead and switch to the Apple CarPlay. We'll see how long it takes. It took maybe last time because it has to reboot. It has to reboot from the Android version. It has to boot out of the Android version and boot into the Apple CarPlay. So it takes a second. So we're going to go ahead and see how long it takes. So press the button. And the phone I want to connect to. Boom. And let's see how long it takes. We'll do the time thing on there. I should have put a timer on here, but that's like the only downside. So it boots out. Right now it's in the car stereo mode. And it should be switching. It's blinking away down here. You can see it. It's rebooting. But yeah, we'll see how long it takes. Last time it took about a minute. So that's like the only downside to having one of these. So when you switch over from Apple CarPlay to the Android, or from the Android to the Apple CarPlay. I think it's when it's reversed, it's actually a lot faster. So when you're switching, I'll show you once it boots into the Apple CarPlay. But this thing is awesome, man, especially if your traps. See how long it took? Boom, now we're into the wireless Apple CarPlay. Once again, this vehicle does not come equipped with wireless CarPlay. It's a plug-in. It comes with CarPlay, but it's a wired connection type. So by adding this device, now you're wireless. Now your phones can sit in your pocket or whatnot. But yeah, put the phone back. And this is my Apple CarPlay, how I have it set up. And notice that there's one app that wasn't there before, and this MediaCast. So MediaCast will bring you right back into that Android. It tells you a warning, read that warning, and it brings you back to the Android. And it looks like it's actually working, but if you look real good, it's not connected or nothing. So it's rebooting actually, and behind the scenes it's actually rebooting. So now you see you got the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi back, and now we're back in the Android mode of things. Once again, YouTube, and there we got it. We're back into YouTube. So that is that. This device is pretty neat. Let me go ahead and show you my channel right there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment down below if you want to watch more videos of this. Link in the description to purchase this will be down below. This is the MultiMedia player box for your vehicle. It works with any vehicle that has a factory radio that supports wired Apple CarPlay. And the wireless. If you have wireless Apple CarPlay, this should work also, but you got to plug this in. But yeah, that's that. This thing is a beast. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. We out.